Let's see how to use Face Retouch on Canva. This is a fairly new feature, so it's nice to see that Canva is helping in making editing photos much easier. For best results, we're gonna need to select a portrait. So what we're gonna do is go to Elements and search for a portrait, in this case, a portrait of someone who has pimples. We're gonna click on the image and then go to the top left corner and select Edit. We should then go to the Effects tab and scroll until we find Face Retouch. Here we can select how aggressive Canva will be in smoothing out the skin. The higher, the smoother the skin will be, but that will also make it look unnatural. Let me just move the slider until I get my desired edit. There. The pimples look less red, but some parts of her face still look natural to me. I hope this video helped you in any way on how you can use the Face Retouch feature. And that's it. That's how you use Face Retouch in Canva.